There's times when there's blood on the clothing. You're never sure how to get it out. I'm Cindy. I'm from Three's Company 2. I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to remove blood. Well, the first thing you want to do is, if it's fresh blood, is you want to immediately rinse in cool water. Try to get some of it out that way. And you're going to try to blot it. Get some of it off that way. See? You're going to use a little bit of diluted dish detergent. And rub out the blood itself. Again, you got to rinse again. And then, the stain off, you're going to throw it in the laundry and launder as you would normally launder the piece of clothing, according to the tag. Rinsing periodically. If you have an old stain, you might want to put it in some cold water with salt. Briny salt water will help. The idea is, if it's fresh, get to it as quick as possible. Use the cold water and blot and just try to get her off as quick as possible. Hopefully you don't get bloodstains today or ever. Have a great day.